This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. We're going to change the nozzle and check the oil flow, see what our filters are. Hold on, I don't know about that. Always change the nozzle and check the oil flow. Something's dripping here on the floor. I don't know what the heck that is. We'll throw that in there, it'll be fine. It's got a little bit different. It's a 60 in there, but she should fire. Let's see if it fires now. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah, we're getting good draft there. We're getting good draft over the fire. So we're getting good draft over the fire there, see it? So it's not choked. I'm going to check the oil flow. It's going to jump out FF for now, so it won't shut off on me. I'll open it up a couple of turns and we'll check out what. See how oil flow is kind of lumpy. I'm going to change the filters. We're going to change the filters out. Can you even see? Light. Oh yeah, she's a crusty one. I don't think that's been changed in a while. That filter was pretty dirty. I could tell by the pump was whining.
Struggling. So what we're gonna do is do the one at the pump, do the one at the tank yet. And then we'll bleed it. Seems pretty dirty. Let me shut this bleeder. I shouldn't have to because I got it off, but we'll change the filter at the tank, and then we'll bleed it. Get a good oil flowing. She's probably going to be a little crusty in a couple of years since it's been changed, as far as I know. This one don't look so bad. It was the pump filter that was really bad. This one don't look too bad, but we're going to change it anyway and get it out. Here's the pump filter. When we start it up, you hear the pump line go away. Hopefully. Cramp. Back. We'll leave the air in it, we'll pull it out the other end. Get a good flow happening. Oh, this one, we got good filters now. We'll bleed it and see what we get for a flow. See how we're getting a better flow there? That's all we want. That 9D is what's dripping. Can you hear the pump line is gone now? It's not struggling to pull oil. Alright, new power venter motor and wire. New nozzle, new filter at tank. New oil pump filter. New oil pump filter. So she's crusty. She's still running. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I she'll have heat now. You missed Daddy? Oh yeah, you missed me. I know you missed me. I know you missed me. Yeah, you missed me. You missed Daddy. Give me some room, man. Give me some room. Gotta make room for me, you know. Yeah, I knew you like to take up all the seat, bro.